Chocolate chip cookies recipe ingredients. To end, 1/4 cups 280 grams all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup 226 grams unsalted butter, room temperature, 1/2 cup 100 grams granulated sugar, 1 cup 200 grams packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups 340 grams chocolate chips semi-sweet or milk chocolate. Instructions. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 F175C. Line the baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Mix dry ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour and baking soda. Set it aside. Cream butter and sugars. In a large bowl, beat the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until creamy and smooth using a hand mixer or stand mixer about 2 to 3 minutes. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Add eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring they are fully incorporated. Add the vanilla extract and mix until combined. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined, don't overmix. Add chocolate chips. Stir in the chocolate chips until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Scoop dough. Use a cookie scoop or tablespoon to portion the dough into rounded balls. Place the dough balls about 2 inches apart on the prepared baking sheets. Bake the cookies. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden but the center is still soft. The cookies will continue to cook a bit on the baking sheet after you remove them from the oven, so don't overbake. Cool and enjoy. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy!
Classic chocolate chip cookies. These are the traditional cookies made with butter, sugar, flour, and chocolate chips. They have a chewy or slightly crispy texture depending on the baking time. Soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are thicker and softer, often using more brown sugar and less flour. They are chewy in texture due to the higher moisture content. Crispy chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are thin and crispy, achieved by using a higher ratio of butter and sugar. They spread more during baking, giving them a crisp texture. Thick and cake-like chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are puffier and have a cake-like texture. They tend to be softer and fluffier, often due to a higher amount of baking powder or baking soda. Double chocolate chip cookies. These are made by adding cocoa powder or melted chocolate to the dough, creating a rich, chocolatey base with chocolate chips added for extra texture. Monster cookies. These are larger, thick cookies that often contain a mix of chocolate chips, oatmeal, peanut butter, and sometimes M&Ms or nuts. Vegan chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are made without animal products like butter or eggs, often substituting with plant-based ingredients such as coconut oil or flax eggs. Gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. These cookies use gluten-free flour blends or almond flour to replace regular flour, making them suitable for those with gluten sensitivities. Brown butter chocolate chip cookies. These cookies use brown butter, which adds a nutty, rich flavor to the cookie dough, elevating the taste. Stuffed chocolate chip cookies. These feature chocolate chips on the outside but have a gooey filling, such as caramel, peanut butter, or Nutella inside.
Chocolate tea cake into a family gathering. 1. Classic chocolate cake. A rich, moist chocolate cake with a chocolate frosting as a simple but beloved option. You can decorate it with sprinkles, a dusting of powdered sugar, or fresh berries for a fun touch. Chocolate layer cake. If you're looking to impress, you can make a multi-layered chocolate cake with decadent fillings, such as whipped cream, chocolate ganache, or fruit jam between the layers. Chocolate bundt cake. A chocolate bundt cake has a beautiful shape and can be served with a drizzle of chocolate ganache or powdered sugar. It's perfect for a family gathering as it slices well and serves a large number of people. Chocolate cake pops. For an easy-to-eat option, you can make chocolate cake pops. These bite-sized treats are great for kids and adults alike, and they can be decorated with sprinkles or other toppings for a festive touch. Chocolate cake with ice cream. Serve slices of chocolate cake with a scoop of vanilla or chocolate ice cream for a delicious combination. You can also drizzle warm chocolate sauce or caramel over the top for extra indulgence. Chocolate trifle. A chocolate trifle is a fun way to serve chocolate cake in a more casual way. layered chunks of chocolate cake, chocolate pudding, whipped cream, and chocolate shavings in a large trifle dish for a beautiful and easy dessert. Flourless chocolate cake. For a gluten-free option, consider a flourless chocolate cake. It's dense, rich, and very fudgy, making it perfect for chocolate lovers. You can top it with whipped cream, berries, or even a dusting of cocoa powder. Chocolate mug cake. For smaller gatherings, or if you want a quick dessert, you can make individual chocolate mug cakes. These are single servings that are cooked in the microwave, and you can top them with a scoop of ice cream or whipped cream. Chocolate cake with a twist. Add some extra flavor to your chocolate cake by mixing in ingredients like coffee to enhance the chocolate flavor, mint, orange zest, or spices like cinnamon. These can elevate the flavor and make your chocolate cake unique. Personalized chocolate cakes. If you're celebrating something special at the gathering, consider personalizing the chocolate cake by adding the celebrant's name or a fun message on top with frosting or edible decorations. Tips for a perfect family gathering chocolate cake. Serve with a variety of toppings. Offer whipped cream, ice cream, fresh fruit, or sauces like caramel or chocolate ganache so people can customize their dessert. Prepare ahead. You can bake the cake the day before and keep it covered in plastic wrap. Frosting can also be done ahead of time. Serve warm. If serving a chocolate cake with ice cream, you can slightly warm the cake before serving for an even more indulgent experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.